Hello and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. I think I'm sounding better today. Hopefully I'm feeling better. I still have a little bit, it's still lingering, but I'm hoping that I don't sound as terrible as I have the past couple days. So today we are putting together a polar bear snow globe. I've been doing the snow globes lately for some reason. I just love them. I think that they're so cute during Christmas time. Some people think they're cheesy, but I think that they're cute and kind of magical. So today we're doing a polar bear one, which I have never done a polar bear one. So this is the first one. I do a lot of Christmas trees and snowmen, but this is the first polar bear. So it's very simple to put together, just a lot of layers, which you don't have to use all of them. It is up to you. This guy's all dressed up for winter. He has his snow boots and his mittens and his hat and his scarf. So if you don't want to add those little pieces, you don't have to. This was about 6 inches high. So here are the other two snow globes I did this week. We have a snowman and a penguin. I also have done a Christmas tree one, but I haven't put it up yet. I'm just not sure if it's cute enough. So let me know what you guys think. If you even want it or not, then maybe I'll fix it, make it better. Anyway, Christmas is my favorite time to design. Obviously, I just do only Christmas when it comes to Christmas, and everyone's like, I'm kind of over it, but I kind of just like it. So I take advantage of it when I can. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, hit the like button, and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.